Grade 10, Unit 5, the Operating System, Part 1. Here I'm going to talk about the parts of the system software and the importance of the operating system. A computer system consists of hardware, software, and firmware. Hardware is any physical component of the computer system with a definite shape. Mouse, keyboard, monitor, hard disk, speakers, printers, CD drives, zip disk drives are examples for hardware. Software is a set of instructions given to the computer to perform some activities using the computer. Examples are word processing softwares used to do documentation work, spreadsheet softwares used to do calculations and creating of graphs, graphic designing softwares is used to edit images and photographs. Firmware. The booting instructions stored in the ROM are called firmware. Once you switch on the computer, some initial text instructions are displayed on the screen. They are displayed by the firmware. How the initial operation of the computer perform. When you power up the computer, it sends signals to the components in the system unit. Then the processor accesses BIOS, basic input-output system, to start the computer. BIOS runs a test called POST to check whether its own components working properly. It sends signals to mouse, keyboard, and adapter cards. The result of the POST are compared with data in CMOS chip. If the devices are not working properly, it displays error message or beep sound. If the devices are working properly, then it moves to the next step. It reads the master boot record in the boot drive accordance with the firmware. Then the computer loads the operating system from the boot drive to the RAM of the computer. Then operating system loads configuration information and display the desktop on the screen. Then the operating system takes the control of the computer. What is booting up means? The whole process from switching on the power of the computer till it provides the desktop for you is called the booting up process. Software. Software we can categorize into two categories: system software and application software. System software again we can divide it into operating system, utility software, and translator programs. Most widely used operating systems are Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS. There are so many other operating systems. Disk formatting, disk defragmentation, backup software, data compression are some utility softwares. Assemblers, compilers, and interpreters are the translator programs. Application softwares like word processing, spreadsheets, database, computer games, web browsers are examples for application softwares. What is an application software? Application software is a type of computer program. It performs a specific task. It can be a personal, education, or business function. Each program is designed to assist the user with a particular process, which may be related to productivity, creativity, or for communication. For example, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, etc. Internet browsers like Firefox, Safari, and Chrome. Mobile piece of software such as Pandora for music appreciation, Skype for real-time online communication, and Slack for team collaboration. System software. System software is defined as a set of one or more programs designed to control the operation of a computer system. System softwares are generally divided into three types: operating system, system utilities, language translators. Operating system. The operating system provides the user to utilize the function of a computer by managing the hardware and software in it. Operating system is an interface between the user and the computer hardware. It provides the user interface so the users are able to do their own work. DOS, Windows, Unix, Linux, Mac OS are examples for operating system. Utility software. Utility software is a system software designed to help analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer. It performs specific and useful functions to maintain and increase the efficiency of the computer system, as well as it aids to keep the computer free from unwanted software threats such as viruses or spyware. It adds functionality that allows the user to customize your desktop and user interface, and it manages computer memory and enhances the performance of the computer. Examples for utility softwares are security softwares like antivirus software or firewalls, softwares to check and maintain our hard disk cleanup, disk defragmentation, disk formatting, data recovery softwares are examples for utility softwares. Language translators. Language translators are part of system software, and it is used to convert high-level language instructions into machine code. There are three types of language translators: assembler, compiler, and interpreter. We give instructions to the computer using high-level language. They are closer to human languages. But the computer can understand only the machine language, consists of ones and zeros. So the high-level language need to be converted to machine language to understand it by the computer. Assembler. Assembly language instructions are converted into machine code by assembler. Compiler. It converts the whole program written in a high-level language into machine code in one go. C, C++, COBOL, Pascal are some examples for compiler-based high-level languages. Interpreter. An interpreter takes each statement written in high-level language and converts it into machine code and then carries it out. Basic, Visual Basic, Python are some examples for such languages. Importance of an operating system. The software which facilitates the interaction between human user and the hardware is the operating system. Your computer's operating system manages all of the softwares and hardware on the computer. The operating system provides instructions for installation and management of various application software. Not only that, the operating system manages all the inputs, outputs, and computer memory too, which means that the operating system is the sole software which manages the whole computer system. Thank you.